Blackbatt dry-type batteries are maintenance-free, do not require acid or water addition. Rechargeable lead-acid batteries with TSE certificate. There is a special electrolyte impregnated lead and acid in the separators of dry batteries. For this reason, it is also frequently seen that dry-type batteries are called VRLA batteries. VRLA is an abbreviation of the English words valve-regulated lead-acid. Its Turkish equivalent means valve, i.e. valve-regulated lead-acid battery. Dry batteries are in the maintenance-free battery class. For this reason, there is no need to add any water or liquid to the battery during the period the dry battery is used. Dry batteries are divided into two different types when the technology they are produced and the mechanisms they have are considered. There are two different types of dry batteries: AGM battery, battery impregnated with electrolyte separators, and gel battery,